We're now going to go ahead and replace our convex mirror located on the outside of our trail ridge mirror. Now we try to remove our mirror here and the glass actually did break in our hand. Now there's two options here. One, you can break it like I did, which wasn't really ideal. The other option is to try and pry the glass off from the base that it was adhered to. Now at this point here, let's go ahead and replace the base here on our trail ridge mirror. There's a Phillips head screw right in the center. Let's get and remove that screw. It's going to come out with a little star unit here and pop out the center section like so. I'm going to take our twin star tension springs here, take our Phillips head screw, put it in the center. This is going to go on the inside of this cup here. I'm going to go ahead and take that cup, fit it inside our mirror base. And try and line this up and get that center there. Get that screw in the center of the post. Now, things aren't quite lined up yet, but we can work on that as we assemble the rest of this. We just adjusted the star. Let's go ahead and snug this down. Now at this point, we should be able to adjust this, and the tension is adjusted by this Phillips head screw. Now that feels like it has just the right amount of tension on there. Next, we want to go ahead and install the sticky back on this here. Now this is sticky on both sides. We already did a test fit, made sure everything was going to line up nice. Peel off the back side. Fit that into place. Now that you have that on there, you want to go ahead and peel the corner here. Remove the cover or your upper film off of the sticky pad. We can go ahead and set our glass into place and gently press that on. Once you're all set, go ahead and use some glass cleaner. Clean up both pieces, and you can go ahead and adjust them as necessary.